Thutha wa gutiria githurano kia ugavana kaunti-ini ya Kakamega ikereka ria keri, riu gikundi kia Athurimi mihango ya githurano gia PMAC International nikiingirire ndugamano ino iria maugite ndibatie amu githurano kia iturwa icio ingi gitirari na ihingica o ciothe gwata thayo wa muingi. Kugerera murugamiri munene wa gikundi giki Pius Masai, IEBC ndiraheana itumi njiganu cia gutirio gwa githurano, makiuga aikari ni marugamitie mihango yao ya o muthenya undu uria ni ugwati kuri wonjoria county-ini ino.
It's important that it is done now because also those people are tired. They want to know their leaders. There is a lot of security. I tell the chairman of IEBC and the commissions, allow people to vote. Don't take people far from what they want. There's a lot of security. The police did the work very well. And the security is everywhere. I've transferred this county of Kakamega. I just came to observe, of course, to see what's happening around here. And that's when I was told the results ready to announce it. I can do it from here.
Ciegi waragania wa githurano kiria kiriga gutiriho, Athurimi aya maruga githurano gitirai na ucuke o wothe, guku makiuria aria matanaiganira marumirire watho kuhanda cira igoti-ini ikaru.
Anyone affected by the results, those one accepted, those one didn't accept it, all parties of conflict need to take responsibility by adhering to the law. And we thank them that up to now, they are doing that. Recognition, reconciliation as number 4. All citizens need to be reconciled. We are one people of Kenya, one country. We know elected leaders who will lead us for the next 5 years. We still the same people. So we appeal to everyone to preach peace as Kenyans and our partners and friends.
Raila na timu yake wasituletee maafa katika taifa hili. Kama wameamua kwenda kotini, tumezoea hao kwenda kotini. Lakini kule kotini tutawanyorosha tu asubuhi na mapema.
Thegia wa Kakamega kaunti ya Mombasa onayo ni irateririo githurano kia ugavana udumwe na icigo inya cia ubunge na wadi igiri.
IEBC is a leading stakeholder in civic education, but all players can consider enhancing civic education for all citizens. This is what is lacking. Most voters know nothing about civic education. It's important for them also to change attitude and listen to education so that in future you might have a change in the voting system.
Gukire ogwa hurani ya giturwa kia Governor Cleophas Malala wa UDA na murunawe Fernandez Baraza wa ODM county ni ya Kakamega ni monanetie ngurani ya mierio Malala akiuria aikari mahe IEBC mweke ithagania muthenya na ke Baraza akenda mihango ino iheyo hayuhio.
Omba Mungu akusaidie uachilie tufanye tarehe 23 ili hawa vijana turejee kazi zetu, kila mtu arejee kazi yake.
Jebukati, please give us a break. We are warning you, Mr. Jebukati. This is the life of the people you are playing with. Hii ni maisha ya watu unachezea. Watu wanalipa ushuru hapa Kakamega County, Mr. Jebukati. Wacha watu wapige kura, wachague kiongozi wao. Wajue gavana wao ni nani.
There is no hurry. So long as we have peace in Kenya, so long as we achieve tranquility in our country, we can hold elections at any time when IEBC thinks that it is appropriate to have elections.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Ritana kwa ni Mwaura wa Dungu.